K-Line Ag assembles and sells heavy-duty agricultural implements from their headquarters in Grafton, North Dakota.
So we build different types of ground tilling tools. We focus on mulch tillage. Basically, we wanted something that was capable of lifting heavy objects, but also very maneuverable.
After recently moving to a larger facility to handle increased demand, they quickly realized their lifting methods needed upgrading.
They made some suggestions of how to accomplish this, which led us to put in a system that we have the 2 cranes instead of 1, so we can use both cranes on a unit if it's heavy, but it gives us the flexibility to be able to move pieces precisely when we're trying to pin together. And we had some existing cranes that were able to run into the bay and make the whole thing work together.
This allowed for quicker, safer production with the ability to accurately position heavy parts for assembly. This new 6-ton, 100-foot long, 58-foot wide, dual hoist overhead crane is also used to load and unload shipping trucks within the facility. Using this system, K-Line Ag significantly reduced the possibilities of product damage while reducing the physical labor required for product assembly.
What was taking us 3 or 4 guys, we can now do that with 1 or 2 guys. And the safety is second to none compared to what we had been doing.